Clickworker, how it works and how to make $500 plus online every month. Hook. Are you looking for an easy way to make money online? With Clickworker, you can earn by completing simple tasks right from your computer or phone. In this video, I'll show you how Clickworker works, the most interesting jobs they offer, and how you can maximize your earnings. Let's dive in. What is Clickworker? Clickworker is a micro-tasking platform where you get paid to complete tasks like data entry, surveys, content creation, and even app testing. It's flexible, requires no upfront investment, and you can work from anywhere. How it works. Step 1. Sign up on clickworker.com and create a free account. Step 2. Complete your profile to unlock tasks that match your skills. Step 3. Browse and pick tasks like surveys, video creation, or categorization. Step 4. Submit tasks and get paid directly to your PayPal account. Interesting jobs on Clickworker. Short surveys. Complete surveys that take 2 to 20 minutes and earn for every response. Video tasks. Earn up to $21 by sharing a short video of yourself or a masked version for anonymity. UHRS jobs. These are specialized tasks, often involving search engine evaluation, that pay higher rates and are consistent once qualified. Click-based jobs. Earn between 10 cents to 40 cents per click by completing quick and repetitive tasks like ad evaluations or link categorization. Tips to maximize earnings. Take the qualification tests to unlock high-paying UHRS tasks. Focus on quick and consistent jobs like surveys or click-based tasks to build steady earnings. Use the Clickworker app to grab new tasks on the go. Stay active and check for updates as tasks appear regularly. How much can you earn? On average, workers earn $10 to $20 per hour. UHRS tasks can push this even higher, while video and click-based jobs offer quick payouts for short-time investments. If you dedicate a few hours daily, reaching $500 a month is realistic. Is Clickworker worth it? If you're looking for flexible, online income with no upfront investment, Clickworker is a great option. Its variety of tasks and the ability to work at your own pace make it an excellent side hustle. Call to action. Have you tried Clickworker? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to the Fortune Compass, and hit the bell icon for more tips on earning money online. Let's start making money today.